we're going to demonstrate with another right now. He's going to be extra careful and con cuidado. Yeah. So now he's removing the nail so that we can go up one more course. Ernesto is being very careful right now, but it's tricky with this. It's super brittle. ¿Quiénes son todos? Ay. Mucho trabajo. ¿Por qué? ¿Estás bien? ¿Necesita agua? ¿Necesitas agua?
No, está bien.
Okay. And the real part that we need to see and demonstrate is lifting the shingle all the way up 2 courses. And because right now we're having trouble even just doing the one because it's so brittle. So we still have to go up one more row, and there's already cracking right here, right along this line. He's barely pulling that thing up. Un poco más, ya. Cambiar un. Esto, ya. ¿Los dos? Ya.
Sí.
Okay. Sí. crack already here. Como un cabra de techo. ¿Otra más?
No, ya.
Ya, porque solo necesito uno o dos. Ya.
Cambiamos otra guaya así.
Solo uno o dos.
¿Solo dos?
Sí,
Oh, pues.
porque no es una reparación completamente,
Ok.
solo es una demostración
Entonces ya.
por vídeo. Okay. Vale.
Entonces ya.
No, necesito cambiar con un nuevo.
¿Cuál es?
Ya. Ya solo un vídeo, muchos minutos de todo el the whole process. Yeah.
Aunque no sea la teja igual, ¿verdad?
Ay, I thought it was 310. Está bien, está bien. Ernesto cut the shingle down to size because it was a little bit wider than what we were expecting. The color was the most important part. We didn't want it to stick out. Okay, so the course above, this is the shingle he just changed. We have it as an architectural so you can see where the change was. And just above it, the course above it, we have the damage here. Mira esta línea. Yeah. So this line right here is breaking up, and you saw how much he was lifting it up. So it's a very brittle shingle. If we continue to do this, we're going to destroy the rest of the courses of the roof. So repair is definitely not recommended on this one. Non-repairable shingle, and we need to be looking at replacing the slopes that are affected with every one of these because of how brittle these shingles are. Like look at them. Very, very, very brittle.